Lights flashing, so we might be going in soon.
Lift off. Yes, so it's just a couple of coaches down, just checking with the host on the platform.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Coach E. Filler. I don't know why I said that, because I won't. Some muppet thought I was the driver. Hi, alright. Fort William.
Perfect.
Coach E.
Number 2, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. You travelled with us before?
Yes.
Okay, welcome back. Don't forget to put the breakfast card in the door handle, okay?
Will do. Thank you.
Please travel in the middle coaches of the train for Dundee, Ormsby, Arthur, Montrose, Stepney and Aberdeen. Please travel in the front coaches of the train.
Well, that's the Aberdeen section. Another one.
2015 Caledonian sleeper service to Fort William, Aberdeen and Inverness.
C.
Platform 1 is the 2015 Caledonian sleeper service
D.
to Fort William, Aberdeen and Inverness.
Getting closer.
Please travel in the rear coaches of the train for Namur, Dunbar and Central.
Now, which end of the carriage is it? 1 to 6 from this side. So here we go. Two. Excellent. Right, so we have the usually offenders, the sleeping kit, the breakfast menu, which I will fill in later. Always welcome. 2 chocolate bars. Here's the key. Did it twice. Tap the reader once to enter the room, twice to activate it. I'll do that later. Let's test the water. Yep, that's good. I know we have the bench out here. Yep. Job done. Right. Coat hanger, nice one. We have the ensuite light, so if I press that, it goes off. See? Right. The necessary. And in here, we also have somewhere in here, yep, there we are, the shower and the shower gels and shampoo. So we have safety information, which obviously I will be reading later, even though I've been on this sleeper a few times now. Here, the dimmer switch and the on-off switch, as well. And across this side, not a right lot. I'm wondering. Nope. There's a tray there for putting your mobile phone in. Go down here, you have a couple of waters. Across here we have the heater, which I'm going to turn right down because it's bloody warm in here. And yep, and the dimmer. USB port. This side, I've got a couple of USBs, a couple of UK plugs, and if you want to summon the warden, then you press that button, and then you've got the window light. Press that, there you are, see? Nice window light. I'll have a look at the breakfast menu later, and I'll probably the usual bacon roll. In fact, I might give us Lawns, probably vegan. Coffee. Yeah. I'll have the meal in the club car this time, I think. And any other comments? Nice one. That's that. Yeah. It's platform 2, Houston Station. We are on platform 1. Always remember to shut that because it can get embarrassing, especially when you're pulling at a station and you're just pulling out of the shower. Right, that's the room. Let's have a go at activating the I think that's it. It's now activated. Fantastic. Good night. Good morning. Good night's sleep actually. Despite being diverted up the East Coast Main Line, I actually stopped outside only about 30 minutes away from Houston. And we were there about 45 minutes. And the train started reversing. I thought, oh no, take us all the way back and we've all got to get off. The train's cancelled. But there was no communication at all. I eventually found out through the team on Twitter that the West Coast Main Line, there were a few signalling problems, so we were diverting up the East Coast Main Line, which is what we did. And that didn't stop my sleep because it'd been a long day. Just woke up in the Trossachs. Sounds painful, but it's a nice place. And we are about an hour and a half away now from Fort William. I've had my shower. Saved you the video for that one, so we'll leave that one alone. And I'm just now waiting for breakfast. As you can see outside, it's maybe not there, but it always does that. Every time I say it's a lovely view, you get a bunch of trees. But yeah. So just waiting for breakfast now. 8:45 breakfast. That's the standard time if you're going all the way to Fort William. And we arrive in Fort William 9:57 AM. I'll catch you later. Just past Rannoch station and breakfast's arrived. Here we go. So in here we'll have porridge. That's good because that's what I asked for. Excellent. Oh, what's this? We also have some honey. Nice one. I'll do. Never seen this before. Coffee in a bag. I'll give that a go. And we also have the orange juice and a few milks and sorry, a breakfast bar. Yeah, that's good. Nice one. I'll tuck in now. As you can see, the view outside is a bit better than before. Yeah, fantastic. Let's tuck in. Looks like we've landed. There's a steam engine up here.
I'm going to say it might have been.
What's that? Are you taking it? Oh, no.
Wasn't expecting that.